Vivo launches its new Y series phone in China called Vivo Y600 Turbo with a massive battery capacity. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y600 Turbo sports a tall 6.83-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 5,000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset paired with Adreno 810 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y600 Turbo features a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting up to 4K videos. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.05 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 9,000 mAh battery with 90 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Origin OS 6 Skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to maintain phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.73 by 76.18 by 8.29 millimeters, and it weighs around 215 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y600 Turbo has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 2,299 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2,599 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 2,899 Chinese yuan. This smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Dune Gold, Electric Blue, and Millennial Pink color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y600 Turbo smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.